This video will compare the two new thermostats construction, technical features, regulation options and values. You'll learn how to adapt the thermostats for different purposes of temperature control. To get back to some of the main differences between the DEVIreg Basic mounted here and the DEVIreg Room here on the table is that DEVIreg Basic does our 15 kilo ohm sensor and only our 15 kilo ohm sensor, whereas the DEVIreg Room does a multitude of competitor sensors as well. The DEVIreg Basic doesn't have any frame adaptation other than whatever is 55 by 55 or 2.5 internal measurement. So for instance, Elco frame, our Danfoss standard frame, design frame, whereas the DEVIreg Room does a significant portion of frame adaptations to, for instance, UC, and as we've shown before with different other frames, and all of the spacers come in the pack along with the product. On top of that, of course, the applications are vastly different due to the DEVIreg Basic being limited to only having a floor sensor, whereas the DEVIreg Room does floor, does combined, and it does room-only applications, which means it can be used for an electric convector, for instance, and it can be used in combined purposes for minimum floor temperature in rooms where you'd like to regulate according to the room temperature.